Nice to meet you. What? Excuse me, man. Yo.
To eat something, bro.
Oh, you hungry? Nah, bro, he hungry, bro. What you want to eat? Get what you want, bro. Come on, there we go. Oh, yeah, you want a burrito? This all you want? This all? How much is it? All right, bet, I'm gonna do card. You want a drink? Bro, like, you need some water to wash that down. I want this too. Here we go. All right, bet, bro. You keep this, though, all right, bro? You keep this, though. My name's Speed, bro. All right, bro. Have a nice one, bro.